panibagong araw, panibagong mga bagay na naman ang ating matututunan. Ako nga pala si Lenny Rose at ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa development communication ayon kay Nora Sigipral. Alam niyo ba na si Nora Sigipral ang ina ng development communication? Ano nga ba ang development communication? It is the science of human communication linked to a transition communities and addressing society's problems such as poverty, inequality, and environmental degradation. Pral, ang development communication ay may dalawang process of interaction, ang development at communication. Development take place when knowledge and technology are communicated effectively, and communication is to provide awareness, knowledge, and understanding of the development process. At kapag naman pinagsama ang development at communication, they become process that create it positive and quality change in community. At iyan mga kalinks, ang development communication ayon kay Nora Sigipral. Maraming salamat po sa panunood at pakikinig. At kung interesado pa kayo sa iba pang mga videos patungkol sa development communication, ay maaari pong bisitahin ang aming website para sa ibang pang mga videos. Bye-bye!